How's it going, guys? Welcome to channel of Davy. Today I'm going to show you how to solve the 4x4 rubix cube. So before we start, I encourage you to learn how to solve a 3x3 rubix cube first before you learn to solve the 4x4 cube. My 3x3 tutorial is in the link in the description, so if you're interested you could just click the link and you could go to the video. Okay, so now first thing you need to do for this 4x4 rubix cube is just scramble it first. So scramble it neatly. Just don't have any mistakes. Okay, so the first step we need to do is the center pieces. So you need to remember the center piece in all of the directions. So we first gonna make the white side first. So you find where's the white ones. So here it is. Just return it and then just one time. And then you should make the row first. So the other one is here. And then I recognize you to put your finger in it. So just, yeah, great. And then you may rotate 2 times, and then you could just do that, and then we got a white. And then white opposite white is yellow, and we already got the yellow row here, so we just so for this we find a white, where's yellow, so we just rotate it. We just rotate it, and then 2 sides of yellow, and just 2 sides. Whoops. I mean 2 sides of white and 2 sides. We could do this. Okay. See that? Okay, so you can see that yellow is here, and then we need to make another row. So that's one of the row here. So there's 2 of those here. One is here and one is here. So simply just move it here, and then we could get it. And then for this, you just and then 2 times. Okay, so yeah. So now we got the white, and then opposite this. And then we keep the yellow on the left side, and then we go red, green, blue, and orange. So let's start with red. So first find this red is 2 of those. We could just rotate once, and then we will notice that this is here and this is here. So you need to get it in the right position and then rotate 2 times and have the. So we have got this. So and then the next one is green, and we already have 2 of these here, so we just need to have this here. So we just get it there, get it right, and then red will be here. Okay, so what's happening here? What? Okay, so red will be here, and then we should get here. So red is here, and then I rotate 2 times this, and then just get it back. So we got this 2, and then this you just go downstairs, and then 2 times, and then you can go up again, and then you got the orange and blue. So wait a minute. So you got this string thing, you just rotate it like that. So when I rotate it up, it will be a row again. So then rotate it up and then just go to the right side and then cut it. So this is how we solve the center piece, all of those. And then next we're gonna get an edges pairing first. So our edges pairing is to get all of the same edges, like these and this are same as white red. So let's get it here opposite each other and make sure it is not like that or like that. It should be like that or like that. Okay, so in this it's like that. So just rotate it here and you see two of those paired up and you should go up there. So save on the up row and then get something you don't need to insert it and cut that off. So great. No of the just piece broke. So and we got our red white here. So we gonna make more edges pairing. So like this too. It's two orange green and orange green. So we should do like that instead of like that. So need to upstairs like that. And then just heal here 2 times and then you got it. These two are opposite now. So you just go to our edges pairing, just that, and oops, that is the red, like that. So now we got our orange, green, and our white red here. So do the other ones. I'll skip this part, so you don't need to watch me do it very fast. Guess this is not fast enough yet because I'm still working. I'm still not ready to do it. So you just find all of those and find all of those and pair up each other. So I don't like to do much example now. So now we okay. Just one more pairing. Wait. Just one more pairing. So, wait a moment. Hello. Hey. So, and hello. Wait. Yeah. And we got our last 2 edges pairing. So in this case it must be opposite each other. So like that. This is right, not like that. So this formula is up there and you could just follow it to do it. Okay, so follow the formula up there and you could just solve it. Okay, so you did memorize it, I guess, and then the first step you will need is white cross. So, as you can see, white cross, we did it at the 3x3 tutorial already. So if you're not good at 3x3, you should watch my video and the link in description. Click the link in description and you will have our my videos. Okay, so now this. Okay, so great. Now we got a right cross. You should know how to do it. So I'll do it. If you have this right there, you just 2 times and you got this 2 times, but it can't. So go red and then just rotate down, rotate to green side 2 times, and just get the red again on, and then just rotate 2 times, and you got the green one. So and then it's white corners. So it's 3 times 3. So let's do this, and it should be in its direction and white to yourself, and just this up there, it paired up, and then just this. So we could have another one there, just white to yourself like that, and way up, and so if you got this, you should have this formula. So it's like that on the yellow side, so you should have this. Okay. So this, and then rotate it 2 times up, and then just get it back, and it will jump it again. So this back, and then do the steps again. So good. And then it's the 2 middle layers. The next step is the 2 middle layers. So it was a step 3 by 3. I call it the second layer. 3 by 3. This I call it the second 2 layers. So you got the formula up there, and then that's down to the left. This is down to the left, down to the left. This is down to the left, and then down to the right. And then this is getting a piece of this middle 2 layers. Wait. Okay. So just do those simple steps up there, and we're good to go. So we got this, our next formula. So in this case, you should have this 4 pinch. It should be to yourself. These two edges, yellow edges, should be to yourself. Sometimes you don't need to do this, because sometimes you have the yellow cross, or So formulas up there, and you could just So this is a hard formula, and okay. And the second thing, you should have this, just like this a free and a line is just like this, free and so this was 4 by 2 in a line, so it's just like 1 by 3 in a line and 3 by 3. So I taught you before, so you just rotate it again, formulas up there, that's and if you got this one, you could just there, and if you got this one, you just Okay, the formula, all of those are up there. So you just watch it. So this one, it's formula up there. So underpants, you got to do it. Underpants is to yourself. The two legs, position of the legs, and fishies. Sometimes you need to do 2 times. I'm not lucky. I need to do 2 times. And then the last one. So the formula's up there, and it's one of the formula of 3 times 3. So that and like that. Okay. So and then this is, I call the fashion formula, that you could just this one to here, this one to here, and this one to here. So in this case, all of them, no one of the plays are finished, so you just random pick one. Okay, so we failed. So we do it again. Failed again. This time we do right now. It be right one of those, and this, and you happen this. 2 sides of this are non-finished and 2 sides of this are finished. So you just need this 2 at your back, and then do the formula up there. Okay, and then you could see a formula. You could see this, I called it a faction formula again. So this is your position. So you know the faction formula already. So now we got cube solved. So if you got this, 2 sides opposite are finished, and 2 sides opposite are non-finished. And the non-finished 2 sides, one of the sides should be to yourself, and then just do the formula up there. Okay, so now we solved the cube. If you liked the video, make sure you like and comment and share down and make a comment down below. Make sure you like and subscribe it, and follow to your friends, and share it to your friends. Make sure you learn 3x3 and 4x. Make sure you learn 3x3 cube before you learn a 4x4 cube. So have fun. See you next time. Bye.